नमस्कार और स्वागत है आपका हमारे स्पेशल सीरीज आई मैटर्स डेली में। क्या आप जानते हैं कि काला मोतियाबिंद एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो इरिवर्सिबल ब्लाइंडनेस का बहुत बड़ा रीजन है। हमारे देश में ये करोड़ों लोगों को अफेक्ट करता है। सबसे बड़ी चिंता की बात तो ये है कि ज्यादातर लोगों को तब तक पता नहीं चलता जब तक उनका विजन काफी हद तक खराब ना हो जाए। आज हम एक एक्सपर्ट से बात करेंगे ताकि समझ सकें कि अर्ली डिटेक्शन इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है और आप और आपके नज़दीकी कैसे सिंपल स्टेप्स लेकर अपनी आंखों की रोशनी प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और रोशनी डालते हैं इस साइलेंट थीफ और साइट पर। तो डॉक्टर साहब, रिसेंटली मैंने काफ़ी सुना है काला मोतियाबिंद के बारे में, जो चुपके से ब्लाइंडनेस का रीज़न बनता है। क्या आप हमको बता सकते हैं कि काला मोतियाबिंद एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है और कौन से रीजन इसके लिए जिम्मेदार होते हैं?
Hi, Huma. Yeah, thank you for bringing this up. It's a very important topic, actually. So, glaucoma is also called as a silent killer of the sight. Mostly people get undetected because glaucoma is a disease जिसमें कोई symptoms आते ही नहीं है. And the family history of glaucoma hai, तो फिर भी patients are little more conscious. Basically, it is just that the rise in pressure leads to the damage of the optic nerve, and this optic nerve, once damaged, it's irreversible. So it causes irreversible blindness. And there are many factors. It's not just a family history. Apart from that, age is one of the biggest factor. कुछ systemic diseases हैं जैसे कि BP, sugar, and patients who have high minus power, that is myopia, any trauma to the eye, which can lead to glaucoma, and these patients can actually go blind if not detected on time. So regular eye examination is one of the most crucial things. I think every one of us should get into it, especially after the age of 40. And probably with the regular eye examination, we can detect this deadly disease on time.
तो अगर मुझे काला मोतियाबिंद हो जाता है तो सबसे बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस क्या होते हैं और क्या इमीडिएटली मुझे सर्जरी करानी पड़ेगी? क्या ट्रीटमेंट काला मोतियाबिंद के टाइप और स्टेज पे डिपेंड करता है?
Right. So, see, glaucoma is a disease which is mostly controlled just with the drops. Okay. Initially, the treatment is only the topical drops, and mostly, almost 90% of the time, we are able to manage the patient just with the drops. The aim is to reduce the pressure. Every patient has a different target pressure, and the earlier we diagnose, the more we are able to maintain that. Now, there are only certain cases where, we need to undergo the laser treatment. It all depends upon the type of the disease. You have angle-closure glaucoma, then we need to give you treatment which requires laser. And iske alawa, there are certain patients, very, very small percentage, who are not able to maintain the pressure in spite of 1 drop, 2 drop. And that's the time, when we need to add the oral medications, or later on we need to go for the surgical intervention. So surgical intervention, the key is basically, to diagnose the disease early on time, and so that we do less intervention.
मैंने यहाँ तक सुना है कि कुछ सिंपल डेली साइंस होते हैं जैसे आई पेन या चश्मे का नंबर अचानक बढ़ जाना। ये काला मोतियाबिंद के अर्ली साइंस होते हैं। क्या आप इसके सिम्टम्स के बारे में हमें कुछ और बता सकते हैं?
Right. This is a very good question, actually. See, if we talk about symptoms, there are conditions like open-angle glaucoma, which doesn't give you any symptoms. So initially, patient को कोई भी sign symptoms feel नहीं होते हैं. इसीलिए हम इस disease को silent killer बोलते हैं. And there are only very rare cases, when the patient goes into acute angle closure attacks. सिर्फ वहीं पे होता है कि patient may feel headache, pain, difficulty to look at the light, जिसे हम halos and glare बोलते हैं, and sometimes even the loss of vision. And these are the patients sometimes, who land up in emergency and they may not get right treatment on right time. That's why I think it's the most important thing to understand that glaucoma is a disease which will not give you any signs and symptoms, and it's slowly going to kill your vision with time. So just be on regular follow-up so that the better you are diagnosed early on time and you are treated well on time, and you can preserve your vision.
एक और कंसर्न है कि अगर जैसे डायबिटीज हो किसी को या हाइपरटेंशन जैसी कोई कोमॉर्बिडिटीज हो तो क्या ये काला मोतियाबिंद को और खराब कर सकता है? और ऐसे केसेस में हमें क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन लेने चाहिए?
Right, Homa. So I, being a retina surgeon, daily come across such patients of diabetes and hypertension who have undergone, the last stages of diabetic retinopathy and vein occlusions, which lead to neovascular glaucoma. This neovascular glaucoma is a deadly condition because, it becomes very difficult to manage these patients for your retina problem also and simultaneously dealing with the glaucoma. It really becomes complicated. So the best thing is that these patients actually need to, take care of their systemic parameters, control their blood pressure, control their diabetes so that the changes in the retina can be slowed down and they can be monitored and treated on time. And these are the patients who, apart from the systemic condition and systemic control, they need regular, again, the drops and the laser treatment also sometimes for the retina to prevent the damage to the optic nerve. Basically, these conditions, they actually slow down the blood flow and thus they damage the optic nerve, and that adds on to the ischemic component and thus, they hamper the vision. So, of course, systemic morbidities do help and we need to take care of them as well simultaneously.
और फाइनली, क्या आप काला मोतियाबिंद को लेके कुछ गलत फहमियों पे रोशनी डाल सकते हैं?
Yeah, there are so many myths actually in the eye. So when we talk about myths in glaucoma, so I think the most common myth is that people feel that glaucoma happens only in the older age, which is not true. ग्लोकोमा किसी भी एज में हो सकता है, बच्चों में हो सकता है, न्यूबॉर्न बेबीज में हो सकता है, एंड दैट्स एक्चुअली अ बिग रीजन फॉर ब्लाइंडनेस इन चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. So that is myth number one. And another myth, I think it is that once treated for glaucoma, you don't need to, undergo the treatment and follow-ups later on. But while we know once you have been started with the drops of glaucoma, you need them for lifelong. You cannot stop it. Some people start it and then stop it after some time thinking कि अब हमारा pressure control and we don't need to continue it. So that's again not the case. Another myth is that people again wait for some signs and symptoms to be shown and लगता है कि कुछ problem होगी तो हम दिखाएंगे. So please don't wait for any signs and symptoms because by the time you will realize that you have problem, things will be too late. And as I have already told, glaucoma is a silent killer of the disease, and you really don't have to wait till you become blind to get it checked. So for any further queries, you can always contact me. You can visit our center. It's Atmos Eye and Retina Center in Zirakpur, Punjab. And we have all equipments, all the investigative machines to diagnose the glaucoma at an early stage because it's a disease which needs a lot of investigations to confirm whether you have and to monitor the progression of the disease, see how rapidly the disease is, progressing. Are we able to maintain the pressures on the drops or we need to change any modality of treatment? So just be on regular follow-up.
धन्यवाद. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये कॉन्वर्सेशन आपको काला मोतियाबिंद को थोड़े और अच्छे से समझने में हेल्प करेगी और ये भी बताएगी कि रेगुलर आई चेकअप्स क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. याद रखिए, अर्ली डिटेक्शन आपकी विजन और आपके लव्ड वंस की आईसाइट को प्रोटेक्ट करने में बहुत फर्क ला सकती है. इस एपिसोड को अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि हम काला मोतियाबिंद की अवेयरनेस को दूर तक पहुंचा सके. अगली बार तक अपनी आंखों का ध्यान रखिए और हेल्दी रहिए. For more information, follow us on @imattersdaily. Thank you.